What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can register for a TD Bank's online banking account. Now before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's move on. First step, search for TD Bank login and click on the first link over here. It will bring you to this website. Click on where it says login and choose online banking over here. It will bring you to this website. Over here, click on sign up for online banking. It'll ask you what type of bank account you have. I have a personal, so I'm going to choose that. And I am the account owner, and click on confirm or continue. It'll bring you to this website. Now over here, the page is down for some time, but when you do the same steps as I did, it'll bring you to a website where you guys can enter your information. And once you're over there, you just need to enter your information, and after you fill up the form, an account under that information will be created. All right, so that's how we guys can sign up for TD Bank's online banking account. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.